Hello guys and welcome to Sid Travels. In this video I will show you unique restaurants you have to visit in Tokyo. If you are new on this channel, click on subscribe for more similar videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Sushiya no Nohachi Asakusa. I hope you're good with chopsticks because the sushi at this spot literally fits on a single grain of rice. This mini sushi is meticulously made by hand and looks just like its normal sized counterpart. Don't worry if you're still hungry, you can order regular sushi as well. Number 2. Totti Candy Factory Shibuya. If you have a sweet tooth bigger than your head, then you're in for a treat. Totti Candy Factory makes this giant rainbow cotton candy that not only looks pretty enough for photos but tastes good too. Number 3. Com Crepe Gyugaoka. Portable creme brulee in a crepe is a real thing and it is just as delicious as it looks. Think a warm, soft exterior filled with a fluffy vanilla cream that's been perfectly caramelized on top. They have other flavors, but how can you pass up a classic? Number 4. Bar Highfive Ginza. Ready for a drink and a show? The bartenders here ask you questions to figure out your perfect drink and then treat you with an intricately hand-carved ice diamond for your cocktail. This bar consistently makes it onto lists of best bars in the world, so it's not to be missed. Number 5. Zao Shinjuku. Sushi literally doesn't get any fresher than this. Zao lets you fish for your own food in the middle of the restaurant. Your catch is then taken into the kitchen to be transformed into your meal. This takes DIY to the next level. Number 6. Umakara Ramen Hoiri Chioda. If you're visiting Tokyo, chances are you're planning on slurping some ramen. So why not go big with this massive one that weighs 6 kilos, that's over 13 pounds. If you manage to finish all these noodles, the restaurant will actually pay you. Number 7. Daichi Nakano. Giant rainbow cotton candy not enough for you? Follow it up with this tall beauty. 15 inches of creamy soft serve. Yes, that's over a foot tall, so eat quick before it melts. Each color layer is a different flavor, so every bite is like a whole new experience. Number 8. Kiyoshi Shibuya. This ramen makes your mermaid fantasies come true. There's a top secret ingredient that makes it blue. But whatever it is, we love it. Besides being almost too pretty to eat, it's also delicious, with its thick broth mixed with ground chicken and a soft boiled egg. Number 9. Naruto Kitchen Shibuya. This is a fried chicken flight. That's right, an entire board made up of different cuts of fried chicken. It highlights all the parts of the bird, so you'll find the classic wing and drumstick, but also some more unique bites like fried heart and tail meat. Finger licking good, I say. Number 10. KitKat Chocolaterie Ginza. Sure, you could buy a bag of KitKats and binge on them, or you could make your own fancy custom candy that looks like a piece of art. Start with flavored KitKat base and then top with any of your 300 plus options: coconut fruit, chocolate and more. Number 11. Cup Noodles Museum, Yokohama. This museum is a bit outside of Tokyo, but worth it if you're an instant noodle lover. Not only you can explore the history of the beloved noodles, but you can actually make your own custom version in their factory. Choose your base noodles, add toppings, take home and enjoy. Number 12. Tsuta Japanese Soba Noodles Shibuya. A Michelin star meal for less than $30? That's what you'll get here at this intimate noodle shop that recently moved to a location in Tokyo. They serve world-class ramen that you can actually afford. But be warned, get there early before all the reservations run out. Number 13. Harry Hedgehog Cafe Shibuya. This cafe might not be quite as delicious as the others on this list, but it's certainly the cutest. At Harry, guests sip tea while holding adorable little hedgehogs. You can even feed them treats to make them your new best friend, the perfect dining companion. If there is any restaurant that we missed, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.